Hey everybody, it's Nathan, and I had to do a new bike check because I got some new parts, and this is a fit Tom Dugan TD-350 bike check. And S&M perfect 10 bars, 10-inch rise, 30 inches wide, fit grips, team grips, whatever, they're not that good. They rip super fast. Fit bar ends that also broke. I got a new fit top load stem. It raises my bars about an inch, which is better than whenever I used to have the drop stem, which I like this one better. Integrated Revenge Industries headset. I don't think you could see it, but whatever. TD-350 frame, Tom Dugan signature fit. 20.75 inch top tube. Raw, has integrated C-clamp, of course, because who buys C-clamps these days? Mid-bottom bracket. Odyssey Aiken 2.25 red wall front tire. Primo forks, thanks to my friend Sam who gave them to me because my Fid blade forks were super bent. Yeah, those are Primo. I guess Primo's like pretty good for forks. My front rim is Alienation Black Sheep double wall front rim. Stock fit hub and spokes and nipples. And my pedal is a Odyssey Twisted PC in black, and on this side I have a Duo pedal in purple. And I'm riding two different pedals because my other Odyssey pedal was making tons of noise and it was driving me crazy. So I just switched them for now. Shadow seat, it's huge. I think I need a new seat soon because it's kind of ripped, but my sprocket is a Fit Tri sprocket and KMC hollow track chain. Revenge Industries bottom bracket. Fit crank on this side, and on this side I have an Eastern crank because my Fit crank snapped right here at the weld, which is retarded, but whatever. And then another Odyssey Aiken 2.25 red wall on the back, another Black Sheep double wall back rim, 9-tooth sealed cassette. Oh yeah, all my bearings are sealed. So it's also a stock fit hub and spokes and nipples once again. And the frame is like really nice. I like it. I've had it for a while now. It's perfect for pretty much anything. It's really good for park and stuff. And yeah, we're almost done with the new edit, the monsoon edit, summer edit, whatever. I think we're done filming it, so it should be out soon. And I'll probably make another bike check later on because I'm about to get the Clat Onyx 2.5 piece cranks because they're really good, and I need new cranks because I'm riding two different cranks right now. And yeah, dude, that's it. So check out our other videos. We haven't edited up. Our new one's gonna be better because of course I got better since then, but yeah, it's gonna be pretty sick. So subscribe, rate, comment, whatever, like, add to your favorites, whatever, dude. Alright, thanks for watching this, dude, and later.